Yo, what's going on? Cuts by Reggie back with another video, right? If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos. I've lost a few subscribers. Life is life. That's all good. But today we have an unboxing. No review, no nothing like that. We have an unboxing of a new product from Stylecraft, right? Come in this nice little box right here. All right. We're just gonna see what they got, see what's happening. This here is the new 360Jeezy trimmer. Of course, we had the clipper come out a little while ago. Now they have a trimmer to match. I do believe by the time this video drops, this clipper or this trimmer should be at least available. If not, at least available for pre-order, right? So if you need a new trimmer, let's unbox it and see what's at least in the new trimmer, right? All right, so of course they got this nice little package in here. Let's get the trimmer out. This other box don't even matter, right? Set that to the side. Boom. This is the trimmer, the 360Jeezy trimmer. Which I mean, 360Jeezy is a barber, of course, on the World Wide Web. He's been around for a while. The clipper was cool. I wasn't the biggest fan of it, all right? All that don't even matter. I don't even know what I was about to get into. Let's get into this. Let's unbox this right here. This is the new professional trimmer featuring a vector motor, the IN3 vector motor. I'm not even gonna start to imagine or fake like I know exactly the difference between this and that. The main focus is, no matter what motor it is, now some is better than others, but does it work? Does it give me the designs and the response that I'm looking for, right? So we come with our gold blade, which to me is one of their better blades. You got 3.5 hours of run time. It don't say how long it takes to get that charging, but it does says duration varies based off. So it got that vector motor, so it speeds up and do all that back and forth with the motor and the battery and stuff. So if you taking out thick hair, like you're doing a ball fade or something, it's gonna take more power to get that done versus just doing a lineup, right? But all that's cool, right? Let's open it up. Of course, you got the 360Jeezy. That's the same thing that came in the clipper boxing. Got your nice little pamphlet here who no one even cares about. It does have some accessories that you can add to it. They got that removable faceplate. Also has the front of it here. Also has the grips on the side that you can change the color. Does it come with? So I'm guessing it comes with the black on the side, since that is the red in the packaging. I do like the color. If y'all been following me for a while, red and black, that's my color. Most of the time you see me, the majority of the time, if anybody see me, I'm probably gonna have black on, somewhat variation of black. You get the charging block, does come with the USB-C, no charging connector like a block for this, but you do get the USB-C cord, and it does come with the charging dock, pretty much the same style as the other one. I don't have the trimmer or the clipper here to see if the clipper fits in here or not. So also, like I said, by the time this video drop, I'm thinking August 15th-ish is when everything's supposed to roll out. So by the time this video drop, everything should be out and available. I'm thinking the price, the price of this is $269. Now, if you've been following me for a while, there has came a time where I do believe a lot of the products are kind of getting out of hand on pricing. But the company is the company. They charge what they charge. You can't fight that, right? Now, is this worthy of the $269? I don't know yet. I know their flex trimmer is $167 or something. And if y'all know me, the flex trimmer is something I've been using for a very long time, right? But either way, let's get into this. This is the body style. It is an all metal body style. Here you go with the grips on the side. Like I said, the same style as the same body style. That's a zero gapper that I've never used. Their gold blade there. Nice body. It is small. USB-C on the back. Of course, the regular charger down at the bottom. All right. Here we go. It's quiet. That metal body is quiet. Nothing's going on in the shop right now, so I'm not mad at that. I'm not mad at that. It does feel good. Nice grips on the side. Again, it comes with their gold blade, which to me, that's one of their better blades. That's the blade that comes on the Flex, which I was speaking of. So you do get the heavy motor. I mean, the heavier body style. And matter of fact, put it in the style because a lot of people think this Tune 45 trimmer is bulky and heavy. I actually love this trimmer versus this metal body style. I know it's a different body style, but the Stylecraft is a little bit heavier. About the same length, you know, but that's Babyliss Tune 45. But anyway, I was trying to see if I had my Flex is in my to-go bag, so I don't have it here with me. But anyway, this is the body style. $269 for a trimmer. We talking a little bit, right? If it performs, that's another question. We will put it to use. I did want to come in at 360 on the front, if y'all can see that right there. I did want to at least come in, unbox it, because I want to put it to use. So before I actually start using it, I did want to show what it was, show what's in it, show what's available. And again, like I said, it is $269, August 15-ish, August, somewhere around there. Whenever this video is out, it should be available. All right, 3.5 hours of run time. What's the RPMs on this, if that even matters, right? You got the vector motor. I don't see that it says. Of course, you know, it varies based off of how much you're using. It says up to 11,000 RPM. That's another thing now. Things have gotten better over time, but a lot of times when you get those higher rotations or whatever it is, to me, it sometimes have too much vibration in it. So sometimes when you line it up, it kind of moves her out the way. It kind of just bounces off the skin. There have been better ones with higher speed. So we're gonna see if this holds up to the good side of things or the we don't really need that side, right? But either way, it does. And this is what I was saying with the removable, where'd it go? The extra accessories that it have here. Got the metal, the magnetic plate right there. You can change it to that black right there. You can put the front plate on. I'm not gonna change any of that unless it calls for it. I might try a different blade, but other than that, this is what it is. But anyway, that is the new 360Jeezy /Craft collaboration trimmer. We're gonna put it to use, and I'm doing this video a little bit before it's supposed to actually drop. So when this come out, a review should be close to around the corner, at least to dropping. I'm gonna be able to put it to use for a little bit before everything drops, right? Shout out to Stylecraft. Thank you for sending it to me. Shout out to 360Jeezy, still being such a name in the community, at least online. What he does in this city, I don't know. He's in California. I'm in Knoxville. I'm way in Tennessee. But anyway, thank you for watching the video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos. And we will be back with another review, another tutorial, another unboxing, another something. All right, peace.